How to create an in-person event. Here's how to create an in-person event on Plauzzable. After you log in, go to your dashboard and click the large blue button labeled Create Event. From the menu, select In-Person Event. First, upload your event poster. You can drag and drop an image or select from your files. Make sure the poster follows the recommended file sizes and formats. Next, enter your event name. Choose your event category from the drop-down, either show or open mic. Then, write a short event description. This helps fans understand what to expect. In the Booked Comedians section, you can add any comedians who will be performing, provided they have already created a comedian account on Plauzzable. This simply displays their names on your event listing. It is not a formal request to book them. If you don't have any booked performers, you can skip this step. Now, enter the date and time of your event. For this example, we'll select Single Event. Next is Location. Since this is an in-person event, you'll need to provide the venue address. Click Add a Venue and a pop-up window will appear. Search for the venue by name or address. If the venue is already in our database, select it from the drop-down. If it does not appear, click Add a New Venue. You will be prompted to enter the venue's name, address, and any accessibility features. If you're unsure about accessibility details, you can contact the venue or simply leave that part blank. When you're done, click Add Venue. Once your venue is added, click Next to continue. Next is the price section. Enter the ticket price for your event. If the event is free, enter 0. If there is a food and drink minimum required, select Yes. Otherwise, leave it at No. Enter the link for tickets in the last field in this section. The last section is Attendees. By default, your event allows unlimited attendees. If you'd like to set a limit, turn the toggle off and enter the maximum number of attendees. When everything looks correct, click Create Event. Your in-person event is now scheduled. It will appear on your dashboard, on the in-person events page, and on your comedian profile page. It will also appear on the dashboard of any comedians you booked and on the dashboard of fans that follow you and any fans that follow the comedians you've booked.